This right here is pepperoni mayonnaise. Yes, you heard that correctly. Homemade mayonnaise with pepperoni. Here's the recipe. Start by separating 2 egg yolks into a bowl and then adding 1 whole egg. Next, we're going to add 100 milliliters of rapeseed oil into a pan, turn it up to a medium to high heat, then go in with 100 grams of pepperoni and fry these off until crispy. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, please like and subscribe. Once crispy, drain the oil from the pepperoni and pat dry. Into a food processor, we're going to add our eggs, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We're going to season generously with salt, then go in with the juice of 1 lemon and follow through with our pepperoni. You can see just how crispy this pepperoni is. Blitz this all together until smooth, then we're gradually going to add our pepperoni infused oil, following through with the remainder of our rapeseed oil. Keep adding rapeseed oil until you've reached your desired thickness. And that's it, super simple pepperoni mayonnaise, the perfect dipping sauce.
We have just made pepperoni mayo. Sounds super weird, but I promise you, it's delicious.
Thanks for watching this weird creation. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I'll catch you in the next one.